This is the problem number 3, which is a little tricky problem. So the problem is, consider set S in R3 such that S is this consists of these four vectors A, B, C and D. Which of the following statements are true for set S to be linearly independent? First is S is linearly independent if alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4 is this. S is linearly independent if alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4 is this. S is linearly dependent for all values of alpha belong to real number and are equal. S is linearly independent if all alpha are equal and is equals to 0. You can pause the video for some time and try to solve the question. So what most of the people will do is they'll directly jump into the calculation of linear combination. That is, they'll take the linear combination of A, C1A plus C2B plus C3C plus C4D and make it to 0 and try to find the value of alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha 3 and alpha 4 and simply waste their time. You need to be little cautious in these type of questions, because if you take the linear combination of A, B, C and D, then you will get the 3 number of equations because the dimension of this space is R3. But here we have alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 and alpha 4, 4 variables. Hence 3 equation and 4 variable, which is not generally solvable. These are very common questions in GATE examination. If you are finding a question little lengthy, there must be some trick involved behind that question. So if you know the concept, then it's okay. Otherwise, leave the question for your time saving. So the trick in this question is the basis theorem, which is maximum number of linearly independent vector in n dimensional space is n, which means in R3 maximum number of linearly independent vector is 3. We cannot have a set in R3 which has 4 vectors and is linearly independent. If in R3 we have a set of vectors which has 4 elements, then it must be linearly dependent. Since S contains 4 vectors and S belongs to R3, therefore S is linearly independent, and S is linearly independent for alpha. Thank you.